Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is this really soft, beautiful holiday glam look. It's very simple and easy to do, guys. Not that many eyeshadows and no cut crease. So if you like this look, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe to me. Okay, let's get started. So I'm just using this spoolie just to sort out my brows, and I'm going in with my MAC 242S brush, concealer brush, and I'm using the Plouise base in the shade 5, which people keep saying to me, it's too light, it's too light. I don't care. I'm going to use it because it makes my shadows pop. And I'm just patting this on my eye and carving out my brow also. So now I'm just using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm just buffing away the edges. This step is important because you don't want to kind of leave like a cast, a white mark on your face. So I'm just taking my Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm taking the shade Rowdy from the Bperfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marina Pad Carnival palette, and I'm just buffing that into my crease all over my lid, and we're going to be blending this color out. Now I'm taking my Morphe brush M505, and I'm taking the shade Basic, I almost forgot what it was called, and I'm blending out Rowdy with that color, and I'm taking it as high up as I want to, up to the brow bone. So all I'm doing now is that I'm going back in with Rowdy, and I'm just buffing that in as well, just making sure everything is blended well together. So now I'm using the shade Hush, and I'm applying this with my fingers all over my lid. So now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer to smooth out them pores. So the foundation I'm using today is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation in the shade F15. And now I'm just buffing it in with my Real Techniques face brush. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade F13.5, and I also like to use F12.5 also. I like to mix them both together. And I'm just blending it all in with my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion sponge. I really do love this sponge. So I'm going to set that highlight with the NYE Topaz Powder, and I'm again using my Real Techniques face brush. This is another brush, I can't remember, face brush, buffing brush, powder brush, I don't know. To contour, I'm just taking a brown shadow from the Morphe 35OM palette, and I'm using my MAC 129 brush to do this. I really prefer powder contours, but I can never really find good ones, so I just grab eyeshadow.
30 hertz straight up, straight up, straight up.
Now I'm going back in the Carnival palette, and I'm using the highlighters, and this highlighter is Sinner. and I'm taking my MAC 219 pencil brush to highlight my inner corner eyes. Now I'm using my Peaches and Cream PC17 highlighting brush, and I'm taking the same highlighter from the Carnival palette. I do love this highlighting brush to highlight, and I love this highlight as well. So I've kind of started filling my brows in last and not too heavy, so I'm just using the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift pencil, and then I'm going to use their clear lash and mascara, not lash and mascara and brow gel. So for lips, we are using coloured Raine in the colour Tootsie, and I love this liquid lipstick. It's such a gorgeous colour. So after this, we are done. I didn't set my face because I wasn't going anywhere again. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you can recreate this look. See you later.